Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, overnight, corn and soybean prices were higher despite a lower call, and then we saw reports out of China that their Dalian futures were sharply higher. Corn at one time was up 16 cents and settled up 9 cents. Some people feel that the typhoon that went through China may have caused some damage to the corn and soybean crop. I don't know if 7 inches of intense rain would cause that much damage, but farmers do tend to store some of their crop after harvest on the ground. So we'll just kind of see if there was any issues there and if that would step up some of their buying of U.S. corn and soybeans. As far as here in the United States, we had a broad band of rain that started up in South Dakota, went through southern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, Wisconsin, northern half of Illinois into Indiana and Ohio, and it's raining right now in Chicago. This is pretty close to what the market had expected. We'll see some more showers this week. We might even get some rains out in the southern plains to help planting of the winter wheat crop there. And then next week should be warmer and drier, so we'll see if that helps move harvest along. This week we've got some estimates of the Brazil crops, Australia crops, and on Friday we got the USDA putting out their latest estimate on the U.S. Corn and soybean and summer crops. So we'll see how the market reacts to their numbers, with officially now the funds all along every grain contract, 170,000 beans and now long almost 20,000 corn. So they've completely reversed their short position in corn. Otherwise, around the world, Europe remains dry, Black Sea is dry. We also note some dryness in Argentina. And within the next 10 days, we'll probably see Brazil starting to plant some of their 2021 crops. Conditions in Brazil are mostly favorable. So we've got 56 days until the election. Outside markets, the dollar sharply higher, concerns on the Europe economy, and crude sharply lower and concern on demand. So in general, when we look at commodity futures, a lot of them are overbought, and we'll see if there's any liquidation of long positioning, evening up into positions as we look forward down the road to COVID's impact on the economy and how fast we can recover economically. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always try to treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.